He wrote, ma'am, but it's not clear for you.
No problem. No, let it be. Whatever it is. However it is, let it be.
It is. He is writing very light. It's not.
Oh, slightly
Yeah,
writing.
he's not
Uh,
forcing the fingers. So
yes, the
it's
chalk
very
means chalk piece means he'll get a grip.
chalk piece. It is fine. It's
Ah,
coming.
yeah.
Uh, but with crayons, pencil, no, it
Okay,
comes very
okay,
well.
okay. No problem. Very
Yeah.
good, Jason. That is letter A, right?
Thank you.
Very good, very good. Welcome. Varsha, good morning.
Say good morning,
Good.
ma'am.
How are you, Varsha? How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Varsha, look at me. Move little.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, Varsha. Move little. Sit. Come. Move and sit. Yeah, yeah. Now you are visible. Yes, Varsha. Varsha, how are? Yes.
Hi,
Varsha.
babe.
Varsha,
Wait for it, ma'am. It
listen to me.
Listen to ma'am.
Hmm.
Listen to
Okay. Can you sing another one song? Any other song?
Any other song? Any other song? Where is that song? Where in the song?
Can you sing Mother, Father? Mother, Father, Mother, Father, I love you. Can you sing? You know that song? Hmm. Very good. Brother, sister, let's all play. Uh, we sing and dance, laugh and pranks all through the day. Grandma, grandpa, sing. Grandma, grandpa, grandma, grandpa, you're so sweet. I'll give you a hug and give you a kiss when we meet. Yes, Varsha? Okay, fine, fine, fine. Okay, children, let's go to the session now. Yes, all us join. Yes, ma'am will take attendance first, then we go to the session. Okay, children? Good. Are you ready for giving attendance? Very nice, children. Alan? Alan? Alan not present. Okay. Adam? Adam, say here I am. Adam? Say here I am, Adam. Okay. Arya? Arya also not yet joined. Okay. Farheen? Farheen? Say, say Farheen. Here I am. Here I am.
Here I am, ma'am. Say
Yes.
louder.
Should say louder.
Here,
Farheen should say louder. Very good, love.
here I am. I am, ma'am.
Very nice, very nice. Good girl. Hinal? Hinal also not joined, right? Okay. Jason? Sorry. Jason? Very good, Jason. Kesha? Kesha say? Kesha say, here I am. Kesha, the good boy, na? Very good boy, very sweet boy. Yes, Kesha. Say here I am, Kesha. Okay, okay. Okay, fine, fine, fine. Litiksha?
Here I am, ma'am.
Good morning, Litiksha.
Here I am, ma'am.
Say here I am.
Customer.
Very good, Litiksha. How are you?
Fine, sir. Fine, sir. I am fine, ma'am. Sir.
Fine.
Very sweet, Litiksha. Good. Madhu? Very good, Madhuvanti. Sai Shivanya? Nice, Sai Shivanya. Sai Mira? Sai Mira, say. Sai Mira? Say, here I am, ma'am.
Come on. Saimira, come on.
Yes, good girl. Now, Sai Mira, come. Come and join the session. Session is going to start. Yes.
Wow,
Come fast. Good girl, come fast. Sai Mira, you stuck in the wall?
No, I'm here. So, I'm here.
Say, come and say.
Come
Come fast and say, here I am. No, ma'am, I'm not stucking.
I'm not stuck.
I'm not. Okay. Srinija? Srinija, say, here I am, ma'am. Very good girl. Varsha? Very good, Varsha. Good girl. Okay. Yes, children, attendance get over. Now we can go to prayer session, right? All stand up for prayer. Yes, good children, all stand up. Shinu. Yes, all stand up, children. Yes, let's start our Kidsy anthem. All close your eyes. All close your eyes. Yes. Kidsy anthem. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wind beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might, I shall achieve you, my potential inside. Yes, children, it's got over. Yes. Are you ready for aerobics? Yes? Let's start our aerobics. Come on. Yes. Yes, children. All are tired, no? All take some water and drink. Come on.
Me.
I'm also drinking. Come on, drink water. Drink some water. Okay, get ready. Come on. Shall we go to the session, children? Yes. So, ma'am, yesterday taught you ABCD, right? Yes. 1, 2, buckle my shoes. Yes, right, children? Can you remember that songs? And 5 little ducks. Can we sing 1, 2, buckle my shoe one time? Yes? Yes, come on. All must sing along with me. Okay, children? Mute your mic and start singing. Okay? Okay? Right. 1, 2, buckle my shoes. 3, 4, shut the doors. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Yes, children? Very nice, very nice. Can we sing again? 1, 2, buckle my shoes. 3, 4, shut the doors. 5, 6, all show your fingers like this. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Got it? Very nice, very nice. Then ABCD rhyme. Yes, right? And some more rhymes we learned this week, right? First ABCD. Okay? Yes. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z, X, Y, Z, butter on a bread. If you don't like it, go to bed. Next Monday morning, come to me and I will teach you ABC. Yes, children? Good. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Okay? Then, ma'am is going to sing Incy Wincy Spider. Okay? Yes, come on. How to keep your finger for Incy Wincy Spider song? How will you keep your fingers? Can you show me? Yes. You have to keep your fingers like Incy Wincy Spider. Yes, right? Okay, come on. Incy Wincy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sunshine, dried up all the rain. So Incy Wincy Spider went up the spout again. Yes? All do the action, come on. Varsha, Shivanya, Jason, Litiksha, come on, ready, ready? Yes? Incy Wincy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sunshine, dried up all the rain. So Incy Wincy Spider went up the spout again. Yes, right, children? Good, 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 good. All give one big hand, big hand. Come on, clap your hands. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, fine. Yes, children. Now, ma'am is going to teach you alphabet. Okay. Finally, we finished with G, letter G, no? Shall we sing the phonics songs, children? Yes? Okay. Varsha? Varsha, can you sing A sound song? What is the sound of A? Varsha? Yes? causing me a loss.
India ball, you're about to play. India black, India ball, you're about to play.
Yes, but. Say. Okay, fine. Da. Good. Very nice, Varsha. Stop. Jason, you know D sound song? Yes, Jason? Yes, what is the sound of D? What is the sound of D? Da. Say. Da. Yes. See me play on my drums. Playing drums is lots of fun with da. See me play upon my drums. Da. Yes, see? Sing along to me. See me play on my drums. Playing drums is lots of fun with da. See me play upon my drums. Yes? Okay, very nice. Litiksha, can you sing E sound song? Litiksha, can you sing E sound song? Yes, what's the sound of E? Right? E, what is the sound of E, Litiksha? Eggs in a pan. Eggs in a pan. Eggs in a pan. Cracks the eggs like this. Yes? Very good. Nice.
I'm
Next,
sorry to
who's going to sing? Yes.
ma'am, where are these songs, ma'am? Like any book is there? I mean, I just he missed many, no?
Phonic sound songs.
Yes, ma'am.
It's in the YouTube.
Oh,
You
okay.
can give Gitsy phonic sound songs. Okay? Okay. Okay, fine. Yes. Srinija, you know F sound song? Yes? What is the F sound song? What is the sound of F? If. Say if. Yes. If and f. Okay? If. Yes, right. Do you know the phonic song of F sound?
No, ma'am, she doesn't know the song for F.
Oh, okay. Shall we sing together, Srinija? Are you ready to hear me? Yes. Sing along with me. Okay? Yeah. My friend and I went to the beach with my floating fish. Come on, sing, children. My friend and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole in his. Sorry, it got a hole. The hair came out. Yes, ready, children? Srinija, put your mic mute. Srinija, put your mic mute, ma. Yes. Can you sing again? My friend and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole, the air came out. If. Okay? This is F sound song. Yes, right. Can you sing now? My friend and I. Say all children. My friend and I went to beach with my floating fish. Okay? With my floating fish. It got a hole. The air came out with if. Okay? Now, ma'am is going to sing the song of G. Letter G. What is the sound of letter G? Yes? Can you say what is the sound of letter G? Sai Mira, you know what's the sound of letter G? It's g. Say. Yes, enable video, Sai Mira. I'm not able to see you.
சொல்லு.
Yes. What's the sound of G?
சொல்லிட்டு வரேன். சவுண்ட சொல்லு.
Yes, say sound louder.
சவுண்ட சொல்லு கேக்கலையா?
Yes, it's Gaga. What's the song of G? Yes, what's the song of G? The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. G g g g g. Sing. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. Madhu, come on, sing. The water gurgles down the drains with g g g g g. Sing along with me. Come on. What's the G sound song? Madhu, can you sing? Farheen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, dear. Sing the song. Sing the G sound song. Very nice. Sing the song. Yes. Sing. Water gurgles down the drain. Yes, sing along with me. Water gurgles down the drain. Water gurgles down the drain. Water gurgles down the drain with g g g g g. Yes? Okay, fine. Now, ma'am is going to introduce letter H. What is the next letter? It's a H. How to write H, you know, children? Yes? All look at my slate. All look at my slate. One standing line, another one standing line, joined with a sleeping line. This is letter H. This is letter H. Yes? Shall we sing H song? H sound song. What letter is this? Come on, say. Standing line, two standing line, and one sleeping line makes letter H. You know what's the sound of H? Ha ha. Ha ha. Say. H says ha ha ha. Say, children. S says ha ha ha. Yes. Two standing line, one sleeping line makes my H look so fine. Sing. Two standing lines, one sleeping line makes my H look so fine. I see H in horse and hat, also in helmet and hat. I see H in horse and hair, also in helmet and hair. Okay, this is letter H. H makes a sound of h, h. Yes, you know what's the phonic of H? Phonic song of H? Yes, children. Yes, ma'am is going to teach you. Yes, are you ready to hear me? Are you ready to hear me? Say yes, ma'am. Yes. Okay. I like to hop, hop, hop. Up and down, I like to hop, hop. All around, I like to hop, hop. Up and down. Yes, I like to hop, hop. Up and down, I like to hop, hop. All around, I like to hop, hop. Up and down. Ha, ha, ha. Yes, this is the sound of H. Okay, ma'am is going to see the pictures of H. Okay. What letter is this, children? Can you say? Sorry. What letter is this? H. See, two standing lines and a sleeping line makes H. What's the sound of H? Ha ha. Say, what's the sound of H? Can you know how to write a letter H? Ma'am will show you. Yes, come on. Draw one standing line, and next another one standing line, and a sleeping line. Okay, this is letter H. What is this? Letter H. Come on, can you write again? A standing line, another one standing line, and a sleeping line. H. Yes, children. Can you say now H? How to write? Yes. H. What letter is this? H. Okay. This is letter H. What is the sound of letter H, children? Yes. Can we see some objects of related to H letter? H for horse. Horse. What is it? Say what object is this? What picture is this? Horse. H say horse. Horse. H says hat. HAIR hat. H says hat. H for hat. Hat. Okay. H for hay. You know what is hay? Dry grass is known as hay, children. This is H for hay. Hay. Yes. H for helmet. Helmet. H for helmet. Helmet. Got it, children? Yes. So this is the letter H. Okay? Yes, fine. Now, yes, you saw H, right? How to write H? One standing line, next one standing line, join with a sleeping line. Yes. Are you ready to write in the air? Yes? Come on. One standing line, next one standing line, and a sleeping line. Yes, that is letter H. Okay? Fine. Need not to write today. Okay? Tomorrow I'll teach you how to write. Okay, children? Okay. Put your mic mute. So this is letter H. Next, ma'am is going to tell you a story. Already we have saw that saw that story. What is that? Lion and the Mouse. Can you remember that story, children? Yes? Are you able to say the story? Yes, Ra? Who's ready to say? Keshav, are you ready to say? Say the story? Yes? Yes, H is writing now. Okay. Okay, fine. Very good, Keshav. Nice H. Okay, ma'am is going to teach you the. Put your mic mute.
சொல்லு.
Yes. Shuganya, sorry, Shivan, Saimira, are you ready to say the story?
Story சொல்லு.
You know the story? Yes, Lion and the Mouse, you know? Very good. Children, clap your hands and appreciate Shivanya, sorry, Saimira. She's going to tell the story. Yes, Saimira, come on, ready? Come and say.
Story
Yes?
சொல்லு. One
Say dear.
sound சொல்லு, loud.
Yes.
And the mouse.
Okay. Fine. Then, what happened?
Sound louder.
And
say
the
loud.
lion is sleeping.
Okay. Where he is sleeping?
The lion is disturbing the lion.
What is disturbing the lion?
Who disturbed the lion?
Sound. Mouse disturbing the lion.
Okay, the mouse disturbed the lion. Okay. Then, what did the lion do?
Louder, சொல்லுங்க.
What did the lion do?
Lion is angry.
Oh, lion got angry. Oh, my God. Then, what did he do the mouse?
Sound. Sound.
The scolded the mouse.
Aha, scolded. Okay. Then he caught the mouse in his paw, right? With his paw. Ah, okay. Then what happened to the mouse?
The mouse said, please don't kill me.
Mouse said,
Ah,
please, please don't eat me.
I will help you.
Okay, I will help you some other day.
Lion said,
Right, okay.
you silly mouse.
Yes, you silly mouse.
So that. That's it, I think.
Yes, okay. Ma'am will show the picture and explain how the what happened to the lion and the mouse. Okay, okay, fine, good. Okay, this is the lion and the mouse. Yes, no children? This is lion and the mouse. One day, a lion was sleeping under a tree. Lion was in a deep sleep. Are you hearing, children? Yes. There came a tiny mouse and started to play on the lion. The lion got angry. Lion got angry with the mouse and he woke up and caught the mouse with his paw. Okay, the mouse was scared and the lion said angrily, hey tiny mouse, you woke up me, right? I'm going to eat you. The mouse said, Lion King, please, don't eat me. I will help you someday. The lion feel pity with the mouse and said, and let him go. Yes, the mouse went happily. Yes, from that day they were good friends. Okay, after some days, a lion was passing through the forest and he caught into the hunter's net. Okay, now the lion was panicked and he started to roar. Oh, tiny mouse, where are you? Please come fast, come and save me, said the lion. The mouse heard the sound of the lion and rushed there very fast and came there and started to cut the net. Yes, right, he started to cut the net and let the lion, yes, and let the lion free. Yes, now the lion was happy. The lion was happy and the lion learned a lesson. Creature is a creature. There is no matter whether it is small or big. Whether it is small or big. Okay, the lion learned the lesson. This is the more. Children, put your mic mute. Put your mic mute. Yes? Okay, good. Now the lesson. What is the lesson or moral of this lesson? Yes? Creature is a creature. There is no matter whether it is small or big. Yes, right, children? Okay, fine. Now they are a good friends. Lion and the mouse is a good friends now. Okay? Fine. Yes, you got the story right? Who are the friends? Who are the friends, children? Yes, Madhu, say who are the friends now? Madhu, lion and the mouse. Yes, lion and the mouse are now good friends. Yes. Yes, Farhi, who troubled the lion when the lion was sleeping? No, who made trouble? Yes, who made trouble to the lion? Who woke up the lion? Yes, Farheen? Who woke up the lion? Yes, the tiny mouse woke up the lion, right? Okay, fine. Srinija? Srinija, which is the wild animal, mouse or lion? Which is the wild animal? Yes, yes, see? Lion. Lion is the wild animal. But the mouse is a tiny pitty animal. Yes, right? Okay, fine. Varsha, um, did the lion catch the mouse? Yes. With what it catch? With its paws, right? He caught the mouse in his paw, with his paw. Yes, right? Okay. Jason, the lion had the mouse. Lion ate the mouse. Yes. Does the lion ate the mouse?
No, sorry, ma'am.
Jason, say yes or no? Yes.
Did lion eat the mouse?
Did the lion eat the mouse?
Come
Yes,
here.
yes. No. The lion felt pity with the mouse, right? He felt pity with the mouse. Yes. What is her name? Litiksha dear. Did the lion leave the mouse or had the mouse? Yes. Yes, lion had the mouse or left the mouse. He left the mouse, right? Yes, right. Okay. After this incident, where was the lion locked? Farheen, you know? No, sorry. Shivanya, you know? Where was the lion locked?
Hunter's club.
Yes, hunter's net. Yes, right? Did he came out? Did he came out from the net without any help?
No.
No. Who helped her? Who helped the lion to come out?
Mouse.
Yes, dear. No. Who helped the lion to come out from the net?
Mouse என்ன பண்ணிட்டு?
Yes, helped the lion. What did the mouse do?
Cut the nest with his.
He cut the net with his sharp teeth. Yes, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, what is the moral of the story? Yes? Can you say, children, what's the moral of the story? Creature is a creature. Yes. Creature is a creature. There is no matter. It is small or big. Yes, right, children? Small toothpick help to remove the food in our tooth, right? Yes, right? Yes. Small things can help, can do big matters, okay? Yes, right? Okay, so you will learn the lesson of creature is a creature, there is no matter, it is big or small. Okay, children? Fine. So you enjoyed the story, right? Okay. Now, ma'am it's a concept time. Ma'am is going to introduce one more social helper. Whom we met on yesterday? Who was the social helper we met on yesterday? Yes, it's postman. Yes, it's a postman. In what way postman helped us? Yes, Jason, you know, in what way postman helped us? Yes, postman delivers our letter, right? Right, Jason? Yes. Okay. Can you say some other any other social helpers? Can you remember? Yes. I taught you many social helpers, right? One is the postman and yes. Farheen, very nice. Doctor is the one of the what, Shivanya?
Tailor.
Tailor, yes. Okay. When we got hurt, where will we go? Yes, when we got Varsha, where? When we get hurt means? Yes, we go to hospital. Okay. If our house is got fire, whom will we call? Whom do we call? Yes, fireman. Yes, fire service, fireman. Yes. If you want to stitch a dress, where will you give? Yes, where will you give, Litiksha? Saimira? Who will stitch and give our dress? No? Yes, yes, tailor. Like tailor, doctor, fireman, and yes, and postman. Like one. Okay, okay, dear. One more social, one more social helper we are going to see. I'll show the picture. You find out who is he. Okay? Yes. Yes, children. What is this? Who is he? Yes, can you say, identify this person? Yes, policeman. Yes, he's a policeman. Okay, what is this? This is the police station. This is the police station. This is the police station. The policeman work in the police station. You know, children, in what way policeman help us? Yes? Yes, he helped us in a many ways. He caught the thief and he will maintain the what is that, rules and regulations and law and order. Yes, right? And they are the what is that, human savers, right? Not human savers. They are like they'll protect us. Yes, right? They'll protect us. So like this, a policeman helps us in a many way. Yes, have you ever seen the police station and policeman? Yes, children, have you seen the policeman and police station anywhere? Yes, you might be seen. Then who is he? You know who is he?
Police.
Is this a policeman?
Traffic police.
Yes, he is the traffic police. He'll regulate the traffic and all. When we are riding in the vehicles, he'll say stop, go, take a right turn, take left turn, take diversion. Something he will say. Yes, right. He'll be in the middle of the road and use this stop this board, like he'll hold the board like stop or go, and he'll give the whistle to regulate the traffic. Yes, right, children. He'll be in the most probably he'll be we can see him in the traffic signal or somewhere, right, children? Yes, he is also a social helper. Okay, like policeman. Policeman help to catch the thieves, and this traffic police helps to regulate the traffic. Yes, right, children? You got it? Wow. This is the work of a policeman and the traffic police. Yes, right, children? Yes. See, if you, when you are walking to the road, on the road, or going somewhere, one thief is came and snatch your chain means, where will you go and complain? Where will you go and complain? Yes. Yes, West Farheen, where will you go? And file the complaint of the thief? Yes, police station. We should go to the police station and file the complaint. Yes, if you lost something, if you... Yes, if robbers come and pick all, took all the things, valuables in your house means, where will you go? Straight away we have to go to the police station and make a complaint. Yes, right. In such a way, the police people help us to catch the thief and get back our valuables. Okay, children. So we should always thank to the police people. Okay, right. Yes. So we saw about the policeman and traffic police, and ma'am introduced letter H today. Yes, children. Okay, and sung some songs and learned the story of Lion and the Mouse. Yes, right, children? Okay. So, ma'am is going to wind up the session. Before I have one information for you. You know what is that? Saturday is the Vinayaka Chaturthi. Yes? Yes, right, children? Ganesh Chaturthi on Saturday. So, behalf of Vinayaka Chaturthi, we are going to celebrate tomorrow. Okay? All come in a traditional dress. Okay? All come in a traditional dress. So, tomorrow we have a celebration. Okay, children? Are you happy? Yes. And the meantime, we are going to make a umbrella.
Sisha, ma,
Yes.
before I start the session, I have some information.
Yes, yes. You want to say now?
Sisha ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, yes. Just a little bit breaking. Yes, you proceed, ma'am.
Yeah, you are audible.
Breaking. Okay.
Yes.
Dear parents, you are requested some phonic sounds of the songs that rhymes. I already posted in the group, but anyway, I will post the phonic sound link in the group now. I will post it now. So whoever wants to see the phonics rhymes, you just refer the time and teach the children. Whatever teachers are teaching in the session, the same link I will post you in the group. Thank you, parents.
Okay. Yes, ma'am will post in the group. You can get it from that group. Okay. Yes, fine. So tomorrow, ma'am is going to make a Ganesh umbrella. Okay. Yes. You can decorate your player with your umbrella. Okay, children. We use umbrella on Vinayaka Chaturthi, no? Yes. Player will sit under the umbrella only. For that, we need 2 origami sheet, any color is your choice, any color, by 2 origami sheet and a long size sheet, not a small square sheet. It will be in rectangular shape. Okay, 2 origami sheet on any color and 1 glue, gum or a fevicol or something for sticking, and then some glitters. If you want to decorate more, means get some glitters or something. And one glitter sticker will be available in the shops. It will be in all the fruits, vegetables, flowers like shapes and all, and as well as shapes also there available in the shops. It will be in glitter. Okay, get one glitter circle shape sticker. Okay, so what are the things we need? We need a scissor, 2 origami sheet on any color, some gum, and 1 the sticker, glitter sticker. If you go and ask the shops, means you will get it. Okay, glitter sticker, round size, small size is enough. Okay, children. Yes, then you need 1 stick. Okay, for the stem of the umbrella. Okay, to make the stem of the umbrella, we need 1 stick. Yes, right? You got it now? Any doubt?
Yeah, parents, we will post that materials what we required for the tomorrow's activity. We will post you in the group.
Yes.
So in the group itself, we came to know what we are going to make, what are the materials are required for that.
Okay. Yes, there is no doubt, right? We will post in the group also. Okay, children? Okay, fine. Thank you very much. I'll meet you tomorrow with a craft work.